Withdraw money from Wealthsimple Cash is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Transfer funds directly to your linked bank account within minutes. Fees apply. Then receive money within 3 to 5 business days and no fees. Now access your funds at ATMs or for purchases. Ensure you have a secure internet connection. Use your registered email address and password or another secure login method. Look for the cash section or similar menu item. Now locate the option to withdraw funds from your cash balance. Then specify the amount you want to withdraw. Choose your preferred withdrawal method. Select the linked bank account for standard transfers or instant transfers. Double-check all information, including amount, bank account details, and fees. Enter your PIN or password for confirmation. Instant transfers arrive within minutes, while standard transfers take 3 to 5 business days. You will receive notifications when your withdrawal is initiated and completed.